What's up, this is Fly High FPV. Just want to show you my new Grinderino. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I've got these kits now on my site. You can get the Grinderino frame. You can get the Pacer 1604 motors, T motors, 35 amp all-in-one ESC flight controller combo. I'm using the DJI 03 air unit. Those are restocking. I'll have them next week. The props are going to be GemFan, of course. GemFan 3630s are coming in a week or two, and the final is the battery. I've got batteries coming from China Hobby Line. We're going to do 4S pizza packs, 600 mAh. Be perfect for this little bad boy. But what you think? Green? Also, these are the newest LED skids. I just designed them. Let me unplug it so you can see a little bit more. Redesigned and designed again. They now support multiple motor mounts, whether you're running 9mm or 12mm motors. Of course, your LEDs go inside and are protected so that they won't go in harm's way, and you can still beat up your quad. And of course, so it'll still look like this, because holy shit. Fly high.